Alright, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today I'm here back with another video, and really what we're going to be discussing is I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get your hands on the women's Dunk Low Laser Orange, what you got to do really to cop this shoe, because this shoe, this restock mainly that we have on them, since I know is already dropped in the EU, and I believe has dropped in the US before already previously. I think this has been out for some time, but it's re-releasing again on Snkrs. I'm pretty sure this is a re-release again. I will mention that, but we'll kind of get into all the details of it and really how you be able to increase your chances of copping on sneakers. I've been having a lot of sneaker success lately, and stutters, as you can tell. I'll kind of show you some success in a second, and another stutter right there. But if you guys want more content like this, more videos, kind of showing you guys how to get releases, just subscribe and like down below. And if you want to check my Instagrams down below, those are all in the description. But yeah, really enough said. No like goal, just as many as possible is the goal, because you know that helps the channel get out there more. So let's get into discussing how you guys can get this release. Now, I recently made a sneakers tip video on the channel. I'll get into discussing a bit more details of it in a second, but it worked really well for me today. I'll kind of show you all the results. I hit in a men's size for the Oreo 4s, as you guys can see right there on the screen. I mean, this is a screenshot, but just from my photos, but I did cop it on the app, and yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. So the tips video really helped me out. I've hit several releases in a row now on a two release in a row streak. Gonna try and get it up to like 4 or 5. I think I'll be able to do that, but just getting back into the details, I'll hopefully hit in this release right here, because this account's doing really well for me. I just got to, make sure don't enter in the drop immediately, stuff like that. I'll mention this video, just go check it down below. I'll hopefully link it there. It's recent on the channel. You guys seem to be enjoying that. But this release dropping on July 8th, 10 a.m. Eastern time, with an $100 retail. So that typical cheaper dunk retail leaves a lot of room for profit. So if you got any slots you can enter in, make sure you do that. I'll try and show you all some people later in the video that can help you actually get your hands on this release. But just another Dunk Low women's sizing, so it only goes up to a 12W, and no grade school sizing, none of that. Again, just the women's sizing. And I mean, women's sizing pretty much is kind of like the grade school sizing, because it goes down to like 4W or whatever. If you go look in StockX, what does it go down to? Yeah, 5W. So I mean, pretty much just doing the grade school sizing thing right there. But yeah, just remember, this is the most important detail, the date and time that it's dropping. Don't forget that 10 a.m. Eastern time, 3 hours earlier on the West Coast. So if you're on the West Coast, it's going to be at 7 a.m. So just keep that in mind. Wherever else you're dropping, if you're not on the East Coast, just look at what date and time it'll be for you. And I think if you, again, already, if you're in Europe, I think these dropped like a month earlier for you. But go check your app. These might be there, but it's 50-50. I think these already did their little drop over there, because many of the raffles I'll discuss later are also based in Europe, and they've already kind of happened. So, but there's a couple still going on. So just discussing the resale right now, we'll kind of hop straight into that aside from the details. I personally actually do like the colorway of the shoe. I think it's pretty clean. And the main goal for you, if you're just trying to resell the shoe, not get it to wear, it is bigger sizes. You see the smaller sizes are going for less, like you can tell, much less. But the bigger size you get, basically, the more money that you're making. I mean, look at how much some of these bigger sizes are going for. I mean, they even rose. So I mean, bigger sizes might even be an investment. I personally discussed some recent dunks. I say you should hold on to any dunk lows right now. The market, I mean, although prices are selling, stuff selling for less right now, a lot of those dunks have gone up over time, and I think they will continue to do so, especially into Christmas. I've always discussed that pretty much every video. That's around the time when a lot of shoes will start performing, if they are a good hold, or a little bit after that into the next year. Of course, I'll be holding many of the shoes I'm holding right now for over a year, but the goal of this one right here, again, is you should probably just get it. If you want to quick flip it, I understand it, but my personal resale estimation on this, just going through smaller sizes and bigger sizes, I think this shoe will be reselling for around a range of 165 to 275, and I will put a plus on the 275, because you see these bigger sizes, I think the 11W, anything above 11W, I think may stay above $300, and if it does stay above $300, then, well, that's pretty significant, and that's that one's going to be going to a high value. So any size, really just go for it. You'll make money going for anything, but your goal should be to go for anything kind of above a 9W. That's going to be my goal in sneakers, is just to go for like I might go for a smaller size, but I mean, I think on one account I'll try a small size, and one account I'm going to try a big size. So hopefully that'll work out. I got to update my computer account a bit. I'm re-logging into that, so I have to change the gender on that account from male to female. When I did that in my last account, I hit in the Oreo 4s, so that method really does work. There's some great tips in this video. I don't want to keep hyping it up, but go check it out if you need to learn how to make a good account, kind of what to do to hit more often, because it did work for me. I've been testing it, and it has worked twice in a row now. I've hit 2 drops in a row on an account. As I mentioned, twice now. So aside from me kind of talking about that, let's get into actually another thing and how you guys would cop this off Snkrs. So again, just this video, this is a video that shows you how to make multiple accounts. So this is the tips video, this is the multiple accounts video. I will only probably be linking this one down below. I might link the tips video, but this one again I dropped like literally a day ago, 2 days ago. Just shows you again some things you can do to hit more often, and this one just shows you how to make multiple accounts. So they'll be linked there hopefully, but you know, I'll try linking both of them. I'll try to remember that, but just both of them will kind of help you out, and you guys have been showing some good love in the video. This one has 1,100 likes. That's just crazy, so thank you all. I really do appreciate it, and again, road to 50K. Just keep subscribing, and we are going to be giving away some good shoes there. You know, the 50K giveaway, I mean, that's halfway to 100,000. We got to do something big there, so I'm going to try and do something. But if you are looking for some people that can actually help you cop this release or future releases, since again, we have plenty of releases coming up this month in July, the Racer Blue 3s, and so many even that week, just they will be able to help you cop releases like that, since they will be dropping on FOOTSITES. Again, this one doesn't look like it is dropping anywhere like Foot Locker or you know, anywhere. If you go look on House of Heat, it doesn't look like there's on many FOOTSITES, but my guys, the secret sauce right here. They're a $60 monthly fee, and basically what they could do is they could help you secure releases just like this one if it is dropping on a FOOTSITE. They could also maybe show you more raffle locations going on for it, since they have a lot of helpful ways in their chat. Like they're showing you kind of like how to make money reselling different things such as NFTs. There's random items you can resell. Not to mention they have a lot of success. Like you can go look here. There's lots of people copping items. I saw something on their Instagram of someone that got like a ton of PS5s, like 15 of them, or like 15 Xboxes and 6 PS5s, something like that. But you can always see there's people kind of checking out and having success. And if I even went and looked on the Discord, there's a lot of people that had success in the Oreo drop, the Oreo 4 drop today. So again, they're really helping out there with their kind of slots that they provide, and kind of how the slots work in the chat, the way that they actually help you secure a release just like this one. I usually run with a few people, and that's how I get, you know, many pairs off releases. Usually is I just run with a few people that I know are reliable for slots. Is one of my main guys. And how it works is once you're in the chat, they have a section called tickets, and the ticket section, once you kind of look at it, it takes you to the site and kind of shows you all the paid and free slots that they got going on right now, you know, for any release that they really are running for. If it'd be, you know, again today it was like the Oreo 4, or a couple days before they had those open. I'm sure they'll have it updated in a couple days with some more dunk releases you guys can run for, and they will help you know, hitting releases and show you again more raffle locations you can enter in locally or just kind of around you, so you can hit more often. I know someone that was telling me, they're like, yo, Secrets also just sent me a ton of raffle locations that are reliable, and I've been hitting on a ton of releases. So that's another way you can do it. And again, it just make sure if you enter in a paid slot, you just pay them whatever fee it is after. You don't want to get in trouble by not paying the fee, but they're super reliable. They've helped me get tons of releases. Like they helped me get from runners a little bit back, and you know, I'm just waiting on what they're going to get for me next. So I really appreciate them. So if you guys are, you know, looking to hit more often with the group, or you know, just again get some people to get your releases off a FOOTSITE for retail, then go enter in their chat and just send them a message on Twitter. Be like, yo, Tristan sent me, how can I get in? They're exclusive, so they don't let everybody in, but that's what they can do right there. And don't forget, if they don't respond to you on Twitter, maybe just wait until they drop invites again on their Instagram, also in the description. But that'll be there, so go check them out. And that's my boys right there, so huge shout out to them. But also, again, we'll link the Raffles Snkrs article and this House of Heat one. If they do update anything with any FOOTSITES, then this will be there. But the Raffles Snkrs article, this is an important one because, again, you can always enter in those raffles. It's another way that you can hit, and kind of like a second chance again for you to get a release. Again, this one is mainly looking like a Snkrs exclusive release, hence why I talked about these videos mainly, you know, for a good amount of time. But this one, there's still a couple raffles going on over in the EU. You can go enter in, it looks like. I'm seeing a few here. Like there and there, so if you want to go enter in those, feel free. But it looks like for the US it's mainly just Snkrs. But yeah, a lot of those see like already raffles happened in May, because you can tell, like that's what I'm saying, this shoe had already dropped, I'm pretty sure, over in Europe. So that's really everything I gotta say with copying this women's Dunk Low Laser Orange. It's a fire shoe, I'm a big fan of it. And your goal, again, if you're trying to resell bigger sizes, and good luck to anybody just trying to get it for their personal, I get it. You know, it's really hard to get dunks nowadays if you're just trying to wear them, because everybody's flipping them for higher prices, and this one is a great hold easily. So I'll definitely be getting some pairs to hold. Hopefully I'm going to be getting somebody I mean, I'll probably, again, there's not many foot sites, so I don't know why I'm talking about getting somebody. I'm gonna have to, go hard in sneakers for this one. So that's all I gotta say. We'll just kind of hop into the outro right now. So if you guys want more videos like this, more how-to cops, just subscribe and like down below. And don't forget, any of my Instagrams, stuff like that, are down below. No like goal in the video, just as many as possible, because it helps the channel get out there more. So I'll be doing some unboxing soon, of course. Got the Oreo 4s on the way, a couple pairs of those. Got one off Foot Locker and one off Snkrs. I would have gotten way more pairs if I had had another card, because I only had I'd entered some slots, and I had my debit cards mixed up and stuff like that, so I would have gotten like 7 pairs, like tons of GS pairs, but I just messed up because my card kept getting declined, and even when I unrestricted the card, Foot Locker was just like, no, this is the same card. So I gotta enter in the slots next time, with definitely different cards. I gotta do that, and I'm right now, my job's getting more cards right now. Guess I'm letting y'all know that, but I'm gonna end the screen recording. So I'm Tristan, thank y'all for watching, and good luck in your future drops. I'll be definitely doing some more good videos, once my progress keeps going. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Sticks made a fucking hit.